Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying clip-in hair extensions for the very first time. Specifically, I'll be trying the Luxy hair extensions. This is my very first time trying hair extensions, so I'm very excited. What is Luxy hair? For those of you who don't know, Luxy hair is a premium e-commerce brand for hair extensions. On their website, they claim that they are the #1 rated clip-in hair extensions brand in the world, and their extensions are made with 100% Remy hair. I had to look this up myself, but essentially Remy hair is considered to be the highest grade of hair for hair extensions, and it is human and not synthetic hair. I'm on Luxy Hair's website, and what they've claimed is that Luxy hair extensions use only the finest quality of Remy human hair, which means that the hair has been carefully sorted after collecting from the hair donor to ensure all cuticles are intact. It is by far the best quality of clip-in human hair extensions on the market because of the care it is required, the time it takes to sort the hair so meticulously. And on the website, they even tell you what the difference is between synthetic and human hair extensions. Just to give you guys a quick blurb, hair extensions made from human hair can be dyed a darker color, styled with hot tools, curled or straightened, washed and treated just like you would with your own natural hair. You can basically make your hair goals come true. On the other hand, hair extensions made from synthetic hair are sensitive to the sun, are difficult to style and blend with your own hair, and typically don't have the same lifespan as human hair extensions. Human hair extensions can last up to a year or longer if they are properly cared for. So guys, for today's video, I've already curled my hair. I think curling my hair looks like it has a bit more volume, so it doesn't look too fine, but typically I wear my hair straight, so I would consider my hair to be pretty fine. Because of that, what I really wanted from my hair extensions is a bit more length. As you can see, my hair is not too short, and a bit more volume. With Luxy hair, their two most popular collections are their classic collection and their seamless collection, and the major difference is really just the end of the wefts. So in the classic collection, the wefts are made from stitched fabric, versus in their seamless collection, it's made from thin silicone fabric, so it lays flatter against your head and prevents it from showing if you have fine. So here's what came in the mail. This took 2 weeks to arrive. I think this is partly because I'm in Canada and partly because of what's going on around the world. I actually quite like the packaging because it's pink and it feels very sturdy, so it makes me look forward to what's inside. In terms of the actual product that I got the 20-inch seamless dark brown clip-ins. In total, it costed me $287, but this excludes duties, which you ultimately have to pay when you pick up the package. Here's the bundle that comes with it. When you first open it, you'll see that they've actually separated one strand just so you can match it against your hair, because if you open the actual packaging, which comes like this, you won't be able to return it if there's a mismatch against your hair. I would say these hair extensions are a bit darker, I don't think you can see it on camera, than my current hair color now, but I think it works. In terms of the actual first impressions on the quality of the product, the hair itself actually feels very, very soft. If I run my hand through my hair and the hair extensions, I actually wouldn't be able to tell the difference. For the 180-gram seamless collection, it comes with 2 4-clip wefts, 2 3-clip wefts, 2 2-clip wefts, and 4 single-clip wefts. So guys, I'm going to try on the extensions right now, so I'll be right back. Guys, I'm just going to clip up my hair and try to put in the hair extensions now. My mirror is that way, so I'm going to be staring at that direction the whole time. The first thing I'm going to do is apply the 4-clip wefts. So guys, my camera died, but I did put in the Luxy hair extensions and I curled my hair. Here is the final product. I find that because my hair has somewhat of a straight cut, it's a bit harder to blend in. But maybe I'll have to start using the single clip wefts to even that out. But at the ends, I might have to trim them just slightly so it blends in better. But overall, I would say the extensions feel very good. It lays pretty flat on my hair, and actually the quality of the hair feels exactly like my own hair. I think one thing I really like about Luxy hair is the match in terms of hair color. So initially I thought the color was a bit too dark for my current hair color, but it seems like when you wear it and you curl it and style it, it blends in pretty nicely. And just a close up. So for me, I think what I've really achieved with these extensions is a bit more length, as you can see, and definitely a lot more volume. For today's video, thank you guys so much for watching. If you wear extensions or you have experience with extensions, please do share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Till next time, thank you guys so much for watching.